In this video, I'll show you how to install Lenny's mod loader or LML for Red Dead Redemption 2. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, if you want to install texture, model, outfit, weapons, or gameplay mods in Red Dead Redemption 2, then you'll most likely need Lenny's mod loader. LML is the essential modding tools for Red Dead Redemption 2 because it allows the game to load and manage mod files without replacing the original game files. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to install Lenny's mod loader and also show you how to use it and install mods with it. Alright, so first to download Lenny's mod loader, you can go to RDR2mods.com. I'll put the link in the description of this video, so just click on that and you'll go here. Now once you're in the website, you want to scroll down and on the right, click download this file, and then you're going to download the latest update. For me now, it's beta 11. Click download. Now just save it somewhere on your PC. By default, it'll go to downloads folder. Just hit save and the download will start. Alright, to make sure the mods you're gonna install with Lenny's mod loader will work properly, you also need Scribook RDR2. I'll also put the link in the description, and here you just need to click download and save it on your PC. And to show you how to install mods with Lenny's mod loader, I'll also install this AK-47 gun mods, which require Lenny's mod loader to install. I'll also put the link in the description, and here you go to files and download it. Alright, after finish downloading, go to your downloads folder, and now you'll have all of the requirements: Lenny's mod loader, Scribook RDR2, and also AK-47. This is optional, you don't need to install it. But anyways, to start installing, you also need to locate your Red Dead Redemption main directory. If you don't know where, you can go to this path on the screen, which is the default location. So if you don't change anything when you install the game, you'll find it there. But if you still cannot find it, you can locate the directory through your launcher. Alright, on Epic Games, and then look for your RDR2. On the right, click the three dots, go to manage, and then click the folder icon to open the install location. On Steam, you're gonna do the same. Go to library, look for RDR2, right click, manage, and select browse local files. If you have RDR2 on Rockstar Games Launcher, you can go to settings, and then under my installed games, select Red Dead Redemption 2, scroll down, and you'll have option to view installation folder. Just hit open and it'll open up the installation folder. Alright, so now you have your game directory and we can start installing. So all of the files is a zip file, and to open it, you can use WinRAR or 7-zip, but if you're on Windows 11, you can just right click on the zip file, select extract all, and then hit extract. Now you'll have it in the folder. So let's do it for all of them. Right click, extract all, and hit extract. After you extract everything, you can delete the zip file. And now let's start with Scribook RDR2. You can open up the folder, and then you want to go to the bin folder. Here what you need is Scribook RDR2 and the input 8. If you want, you can also include a native trainer, but I already have Rampage trainer installed, so I don't need it anymore. Now just select these two, and then you're gonna put it into your RDR2 main directory. Just like that, and Scribook RDR2 is installed. Now let's go back and we're gonna install Lenny's mod loader. Let's open up the folder, and here you'll see a bunch of folder, but what you need is these two folders, which is mod loader and mod manager. Let's start with mod loader. Open up the folder, and for mod loader, you're gonna put it into the game main directory. So just like we installed the Scribook RDR2. Select everything except this, and then you're gonna put it into your RDR2 main directory, just like that, and that's done. And now for mod manager, you actually can put it anywhere on your PC. You can put it on your desktop, you can put it on your program files, but personally I usually put it in the game directory as well. So let's just do that. Drag and drop it into the game directory, and now the mod loader is installed. You can open up the mod manager folder. Inside it, look for mod manager UI.exe, and you're gonna right click and run it as administrator. You'll see this on the home screen, and to manage your mods, you can go here. So if you install mods, it'll appear in the list. So now let me show you how to install mods with Lenny's mod loader. Let's go back to the main directory, and now inside your RDR2 main directory, you'll have a folder called LML. This is the folder where you put all of your mods. Alright, let's open up the AK-47 folder, and inside it there's an LML folder and the AK-47 folder. You can actually go to the main directory and select these two and put it into your RDR main directory, just like that, and that's done. Now go back to Lenny's mod loader, and you can click rescan mods to load the mod that we just installed. Now the AK-47 is in the list, and it's also enabled. So if you want to disable the mods, you can just uncheck it and then hit save. But of course, we're gonna enable it, gonna hit save again, and that's how you install mods with Lenny's mod loader. It's really simple. Alright, we're inside the game now, and let's see if the mods we just installed is in the game. We gotta take it from the horse, and there we go. This is the AK-47, and if you want to install another mods, the process is gonna be the same. So that'd be it for this video. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.